Welcome to another cryptocurrency market update after the markets closed on 20th of July 2018. So wasn't anything to report last weekend because we were waiting to see what Bitcoin would do. What's been interesting is, as you know, for the last few weeks, I've identified this line here around $10. And what we're looking at here, by the way, is this is a long-term chart of GBTC, which is an investment trust for Bitcoin, which I think is going to be a good sort of indicator of how to track Bitcoin in the months and years ahead, because this is a long story that's only just begun. So you don't need to worry too much about the chart, but just pay attention to the bits I'm saying, really. And this is a line here of what's called support around $10, and it was okay if it would have just hung on there, and then it's getting below its moving averages here, which is the red and blue line. And it broke this line of support, which indicated it would have gone down, but then it's kind of made a big comeback this last week, and you can see this blip up here like that. So it could, be making a counter attack here. Let's see what the close-up chart look at. This is just sort of zooming in on what we just saw over the last 6 months, and you can see the downtrend. Each little mark here is a day of action going along, and you can see the downtrend that I've been monitoring for a long time now and warning you about. And to stop accumulating. Let's sort of see if we can have a look at what's going on here. We can draw a line like that. It's called a trend line. It touches at least 3 points. And we can see where Bitcoin is. And as we can see here, although it's making this counter sort of attack here, we see the last few days, it's making a very valiant effort. It needs to get back above that line for really, to say, okay, has broken the downtrend. It's just not there yet. So really back above 12, and then to make this a comfortable comeback. Right now, Bitcoin's kind of like neutral territory, and the way it is right now is that Bitcoin is kind of the benchmark that all other cryptocurrencies are going by. So it's still kind of in a wait and see mode. Nothing else to report. Apart from that, and as I say, the story is young and unfolding, and Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency. Blockchain is the game changer, and we're just very early in the game. So watch this space closely, and I will speak to you next time.